Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tom, and today we are going to be talking about how to increase your sales on Amazon for a new product or an existing product. So for those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tom. I've been documenting my Amazon FBA journey since day one, and I was able to scale my Amazon FBA business from 0 to multiple 7 figures in less than 2 years. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine. Just sitting down here in my living room, and I want to show you guys the view tonight. It's absolutely gorgeous here in Vancouver. Blessed to be watching the sunset every single evening from my living room, and thanks to Jeff Bezos. So anyway, how do we increase our sales on Amazon, whether it's for a new product or an existing product? So if you understand this concept, I think it will be kind of a game changer. Now, when it comes to Amazon, there are really only 2 things you need to worry about, okay? Excluding product research and stuff like that. I'm talking about once your product is live on Amazon, okay? Now, the first thing you need to worry about is something called sessions, okay? The second thing you need to worry about is conversions. So today, I'm gonna mostly talk about sessions. My next video, which I release a new video every single Wednesday, committed to that. So every single Wednesday I release a new video. Excuse me. I'm gonna be talking about conversions, okay? I don't wanna make this video too long and too much information. So basically, what sessions means is basically how many unique people are looking at your listing per day. Now, if you have a lot of people looking at your listing per day, that's awesome. That means there's more buyers on Amazon that are finding your product. And the cool thing about Amazon is that when someone comes on Amazon, they're there to buy a product, right? So you want to increase your sessions to as high as possible. Now, you can find this under your business report. It will actually show you, it should say something by ASIN on the left-hand column. It should have, I forget what it's called top of my head, but I'll include a screenshot right here. And it will actually show you how many sessions that you've gotten during a time period. So the higher the sessions, the better. That means there's more eyeballs that are looking at your product. So how do we increase the sessions if it's really, really low? Well, if you think about this, Amazon is a keyword-based system, right? So there are many different keywords that you can type in on Amazon to find one specific product. For example, if we sell rose gold cups, well, there's rose gold cups, there's rose gold plastic cups, there's rose gold party cups, there's plastic cups, there's all these different keywords because everybody look for things differently. So what you want to do is you want to be visible to as many searches on Amazon as possible. So how do you do that? Well, when you first list your product on Amazon, you're going to be ranking page 50, 100, whatever it might be. So what you want to do is you want to rank for as many keywords as possible on page 1. So how do you first find these keywords? Well, the tool I like to use, and there's a bunch of them out there, I like to use Viral Launch, right? So if you use Viral Launch, the keyword tool, excuse me, I'm getting over a cough, but if you use Viral Launch's keyword tool, you are able to find all the relevant keywords for your product. And now relevant is something that's really important because if you sell rose gold cups, you obviously do not want to be found by garlic press, for example. So on Viral Launch, there's a tool where you're able to see all the relevant keywords. And from there, the name of the game really for the long-term vision is to be ranking really high for all those relevant keywords. Now, how do you actually rank for those keywords? Well, I posted a video, my last video, if you want to give that a watch, it's our rank and bank strategy. It's the best Amazon ranking strategy that's working right now. And for some reason, someone bought like a bunch of dislike bots to that video. I guess, I don't know, maybe it's my competitor who's like, oh, why are you ranking so high? I'm gonna buy dislike bots, whatever it might be. Some people were hating on me for it, but if you want to use it, feel free to use it. If you don't want to use it, I promise you I will not lose a second of sleep tonight. I just want to share some information with you all. It's up to you. It's your business. We're all adults. We can all make decisions like that. So if you're getting really, really low sales, another really cool thing you can do is you can use Viral Launch's competitor intelligence tool. Now, you enter in your own ASIN, And what that allows you to do is actually do a reverse search to see exactly where you are currently placing on Amazon for all the keywords. So once you do that, it will tell you, hey, you are currently page, you're number 5, you're number 2, number 3 for all these different keywords. So I challenge every single one of you guys to actually do that search right now, especially for those whose sales suck, because at the end of the day, I've seen a lot of listings where sales are not that good, and I use that tool, and right away I'm like, the reason why your sales are not that good is because you are not appearing on page 1 for any keyword. So how can your sales be good? It's impossible. Therefore, your session is going to be low. So increase your sessions by ranking for more keywords. Use the competitor intelligence tool to see where you currently stand, and also see where your competitors stand. And maybe your competitors are selling a lot more. You're like, how are they selling so much more? Well, using this tool, you're able to see exactly which keywords is actually getting them the exposure, therefore generating the sales for them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to keep this relatively short. Next Wednesday, I'm going to be talking about conversions, because at the end of the day, you can have 1 million people coming to your listing, but if no one buys, that's no good either. So I'm going to show you guys some step-by-step process of how you can increase your conversions as well. So if you stay till the very end of this video, give your boy a thumbs up, because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm apparently. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you have any questions, make sure you watch the Rank and Bang video that I did last week. It was a really good video, probably one of the most valuable that I posted. And if you guys have any requests, stuff like that, just drop me a comment and join our Facebook group as well. We have over 6,000, close to 7,000 Amazon sellers, all in a great community. So other than that, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.